BTS is just coming through, going from Phrom Phong in the direction of Asok. This is going to be 193,000 square meters of retail space, and there's going to be the M Live, which will be a theater with 6,000 seats. Good afternoon. I'm on my way to the Phrom Phong station, and today I'm gonna make a video about the construction updates around Phrom Phong. And the first one that we're gonna pass is here, the EmSphere. So the EmSphere is gonna be 193,000 square meters shopping mall, and inside the mall there will be the M Live, which will be a 6,000 seats arena. But later I will show you a little bit more about the EmSphere. So here you have the Banjasiri Park, and we are arriving at the station, so let me show you. So there's quite some construction going on around Phrom Phong at the moment. Yeah, so I'm here at the far end of the Phrom Phong BTS station, and the first building that really catches your eye, which is a new construction, is the head office, the new head office of the UOB Bank. And this building has 31 floors, and it's 171 meters high. Then next to it here in Sukhumvit Soi 26, this is a building called Estelle. It's developed by Raymond Land. And Estelle will have 37 floors. So down here we have the Muniq 39, a new residential building that's been built here on the corner next to the Marquis and Vittorio. This is the Marquis. The Marquis has 52 floors, and it's 222 meters high, and with that it's the 15th highest building in Bangkok. And next to it you'll find the Vittorio. Vittorio has 28 floors, and it's 125 meters high. Then here we get the Biraj Tower. The Biraj Tower is part of the M Quartier Mall, so you can see the M Quartier Mall as well. And the Biraj Tower is 179 meters high, and it has 45 floors. Yeah, this is an interesting area at the moment, construction wise. I'm here on the 26th floor of a building called Kraam, and from here you have a great view of the Phrom Phong area, with here the UOB building in front, and then here you have a nice look at the Estelle. Here in front you have Soi 26. Unfortunately, I'm not able to see the EmSphere from here, but let me show you the construction from the ground level. So here we are at the construction site of the UOB building, and this one should be ready by next year. You know, it's lunchtime, so a lot of people are getting their lunch food from the food stalls here. It looks like an interesting building. We are growing here to be right by you. Okay. So let me go across the street and show you the construction site of the Muniq. So I'm here in front of the Mark, next to the construction site of the Muniq. They are preparing all the work now to let this construction go on. And let me show you how the building is going to look. And it's gonna be here on the corner of Sukhumvit Soi 39 next to the Phrom Phong BTS station, and right between the Mark and the Vittorio. So let me show you the EmSphere. Yeah, so from all the constructions in the Phrom Phong area, here the EmSphere is the most anticipated one. So everybody is waiting for this one to finalize and to be open. This is constructed by the same company as the Bangkok Mall. So I'm here on the 11th floor of an apartment in the building called the GM Heights, and I had to be here anyway to make some videos for Sukhumvit Homes. And you have an amazing view here of the construction project. BTS is just coming through, going from Phrom Phong in the direction of Asok. So this is going to be 193,000 square meters of retail space. And there's going to be the M Life, which will be a theater with 6,000 seats. And there in the back you have the M Quartier shopping mall and the Emporium, and the green space that you see here in front, that's the Benjasiri Park. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the constructions around the Phrom Phong area. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.